And there's nothing too special. There's a few little tricks that people don't really know of to do insurance, and some people have. I personally saved probably about 1,000, 2,000 a year off my insurance from doing these couple of little things that really help. I actually managed to get insured on my Mercedes cheaper than some of my mates did on their Fiestas and stuff like that. So for my Mercedes, I was 17, I'd never driven on the road before. I passed my test at 8 o'clock in the morning, went home, and I was insured on the road with this price by 10 o'clock. So that was incredibly cheap. That was not with a black box, that was without one. Okay, so on my BMW that I'm currently in now, this car was expensive to insure. I managed to find a way around it, and I managed to get into a little thing where I only paid 3 months worth of insurance for when it was if you wanted a black box, then it was 750 quid for a black box on one of these cars for a year. If you're thinking of getting a fast car, I would wait at least 3 months, 3-4 months of driving before you switch. Yeah, let's now get into how this is actually done. Okay, so running through the different options on Compare the Market, this is the website that I used. So to start off, you want to make yourself the main driver. You want to make sure that you're building up your no claims discounts. So all this information, fill out for yourself and what you personally do. The first question is, when did you buy the car? Just put when you bought the car. The next thing is, what do you use the car for? Just use social, domestic, the first box, social, domestic and pleasure only. That's what most people are going to use their car for, so just tick that. Total annual mileage, I put 7,000, 6,000 to 7,000 a year down, and that seems to be about perfect. So the next one is, where do you keep your car during the day? Now for this one, what I put is at home. Now this is one of the ones where insurance can vary, the price varies, goes up and down. And that is, where do you keep your car at night? Now price varies. If you put on your driveway, it actually goes up, the price goes up. Now this is what a lot of people are going to say, which is why their insurance premiums are a lot higher. This one, you can either put street outside of home, locked garage or unlocked garage. These three options, they lower the price of your insurance. So if you park your car on a street outside your home, that is going to be cheaper than if you park it on your driveway. Now the next question is the car kept overnight at home or elsewhere? For this, I'll just put at home. For the next one, how many cars are kept at your household? Just be honest how many cars there are, whether it's just your car or whatever, your parents' cars. So the next question, do you use any other cars? If you do, put you do. If you don't, doesn't really make a massive difference. Okay, so this is the next big thing which saves a lot of money. Now, obviously, if you're the only one on the insurance, then that means that they know you're going to be the one driving at all times. Now, you want to add 2 extra drivers, named drivers that are family members. You want to add family members to your policy.